Hello everybody and welcome to the Shape Modelers Library. Today I will show you a book with the Warship Vasa SCULPTURES by Hans Soop. Approximately 700 sculptures from the Vasa have been found. The lavish decoration of the ship represents an expression of the graphic, allegorical and symbolic ideas of the 17th century. The sculpture's function was not exclusively decorative, but in many ways they also served as to stress King Gustav II Adolf's illustrious position and character and the extensive political and military power of the Swedish nation. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comment section below which book would you like to flip through in the next edition.